Hey, good morning, everybody. This is it.
Good morning. This is it.
Good morning. All right, girls, let's say goodbye to the room.
Bye.
Goodbye, room.
Did we pack up every little thing in the bathroom?
Yep, I checked the bathrooms.
Do we check the drawers?
Checked the drawers. Checked everything.
I'm gonna go check the bathroom.
Okay, you go check the bathroom. Kinley right now has all our clothes to change into at the airport and her carry-on right now. The things like bigger than her. Aspen's gonna help take a suitcase down. We have these things. Anything?
Guess what happens when you lose a tooth at Disney?
Oh yeah, Aspen lost a tooth and
You
tooth fairy
get a
came.
$15 gift card, and you get a pin.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You got a Tinkerbell pin or something like that?
Yeah, Tinkerbell pin,
Yeah.
like a fairy pin.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Gift card pin.
So, yeah, so we're gonna get to
Dad, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? Okay. Disney card. Pin. Disney card pin.
Woo!
all right. Yeah, so now we gotta quick get down to
Get our luggage checked in.
get our luggage checked in. Try to get to Epcot by 9:15.
9:05 is our fast pass.
9:05 is our fast.
But we can get there obviously a little bit later for that hour thing.
But we want to get there a little bit early, just to spend some more time there.
Right.
Not sure how we're gonna do the rest of this day. So
Yeah. But yeah, I didn't really do a room tour, but it had like the Murphy bed, so
about it.
yeah, not much in there. But all right, you girls ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Ah,
All this together is very heavy.
I'll get the door.
You get the door.
I got the door. See if I can film Aspen. Here, let's do this.
You have everything.
Turn it sideways. Turn it
You
sideways.
have everything.
What don't we have?
The ghost on here.
The ghost.
I left the ghost on the window.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
hold on, we'll get it. Yeah. Grab that. Filming, careful. Oh yeah, one tiny little ghost.
My bad, y'all. I missed the ghost on the window.
You missed this little guy.
Sorry. It was a ghost. I couldn't see it.
Funny. Daddy's got his shoes. The stinky shoes. That now we're probably gonna stink up our luggage. Yikes. Yeah, the only thing about this room is very, very tight.
It is tight with that bed down.
Yeah, the bed down and the stroller and the luggages. Very tight. You got all those?
Got them all.
Alright, Kinley. Alright. Bye, room 27, 28. It's been fun.
Yep.
We finally learned the ropes, all the back ways in and out of this room.
Yeah. Finally.
Unlike
Caribbean, where we just kind of
never.
we winged it.
Yeah. Every time we kind of guessed. Alright, you girls ready? Let's go get our luggage turned in.
Right? Oh, sorry, Asma.
Yeah, we had a good bus ride. We keep talking. Good time when you have sports fans from all over the place.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, nobody was talking smack. It was all just a good, fun talk.
It really is down here. Everybody kind of lets everything go.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice that people see what we see with our Brewers. You know, a lot of good players that aren't doing too much crazy stuff. They're just good, genuine baseball players. And
We see that with other teams though too.
yeah. So it's just cool to see. But it was definitely a fun bus ride. So.
Good morning. Good morning. You're almost
Good morning.
here. Just 5-minute walk.
Do I know something?
What?
I felt bad for killing because nobody gave us a spot.
Okay, she was fine standing. She holds on, man.
She did good. Yeah.
You know how to get on a monorail, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Really good. You held on.
She dances on the monorail.
Yes, she does. All right, so last day we're heading to Epcot. Got some fast passes today.
Tropical Express.
Yep.
Yesterday I was crying.
Yeah, she was crying when we were leaving yesterday.
Yeah. We got today.
Don't worry, Mommy's gonna cry today. I was crying in the lobby this morning.
Were you?
Yeah, we were leaving Epcot. That's when I was crying. Cried a little. It's sad because, you know, we love it down here so much. It's hard to leave. But you know what? We're planning our trip for next year.
Yeah. Who do we get to see tonight then?
Yeah, who are we going to see?
Our fun little puppy.
We get to see our banner boy.
Yeah, he's gonna be
Well,
all
he's more
crazy.
than a puppy.
I wonder if he's gonna be mad at us. He was mad at us last time for a little bit.
Yeah.
He's starting to pick up the Roxy hat. Roxy.
I got the grandma.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got the grandma on her.
Well, he's not really a puppy. It's just fun calling him a puppy.
Yeah.
He still acts like a puppy. He's got that spring. He's like hopping and galloping and prancing.
Yeah.
His big old ears kept flopping. Skitty roll.
Yeah.
Especially when we play tug of war with him.
Oh yeah.
Pulling girls around the park.
Yeah.
Literally. We'll take the rope, the girls will like lay on their bellies and pull them.
Yeah. Tug of war is a lot of fun with him.
Yeah.
He cheats.
The other day, we bought Bennett a Thanos toy.
Yeah.
And he was pulling so hard on the gauntlet that at the end of the day, the whole thing was destroyed and he had the gauntlet off.
Yeah, he had the gauntlet off. He knew.
Oh yeah.
Brendan doesn't like Thanos and his gauntlet.
I'm excited to see him.
Yeah. For my snuggles.
Yeah.
He's mommy's boy. He's a snuggler with me.
I'll be honest, I'm glad he doesn't have the full Roxy thing, because Roxy just used to get plain mad at us when we came back.
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, our old dog Roxy, she literally wouldn't like, she'd come meet us and we'd just say hi to us, and the next 2 or 3 days, she wouldn't come near us. She'd be so mad.
She'd be so mad. And then all of a
Look at her
sudden,
heading, like, she had this look. It looked she had like eyebrows. Like,
yeah.
She was like the meanest looking rig, and I'm so
Like-
mad at you guys.
Like, you guys left me.
Yep. She was a very high maintenance drama queen, Rockstar.
Rockstar was the best though.
She was such a good dog. But then after friendly when she wasn't mad at us anymore, then she was all cute.
Oh yeah. And she
Remember her floppy ears and she'd
Yep.
bang?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
So floppy.
Yeah, she knew how to do it right.
She would also go under the table. If we wrap on the little thing, boom, she's there.
Yeah, we had the cleanest floors when we had her.
Oh yeah, she knew.
Good, but he's not great.
Yeah.
Rocky would clean up every single crumb. Ben is not a crumb guy. He likes to pull them.
And Bennett's got them jowls that he's just like,
Yeah.
he's got them schlubber jowls, you know, that schlubber everywhere.
Yep.
So when he's licking up food, he's leaving more than he's picking up, I think.
Oh my gosh, I gotta wash her a lot more.
So,
Use that steam mop.
yeah.
Steam mop, we don't use any like harsh chemicals. Like, I mean, we used to love the Swiffer, but we try to be cautious, so we use a steam mop and I think it's amazing.
Yep. It's a little busy for 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, so where are we going? We're going to Soarin'?
There's not a sun in that so we're breaking free.
It is really busy today. Oh, look, Spaceship Earth even has a line. I mean, it's going very quickly, but still has a line.
Yeah. We have Soarin' and then we come back for Spaceship Earth for that fast. Sorry, excuse us. You're good. You're good.
It has a little line, not a bad line. It's doing good. Yeah, so we are headed to our Fast Pass on Soarin'.
Did you grab the fuel rod?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
I was just making sure. I'm like, you know, I had it out in charge.
Did you had it charged?
Yeah, I charged it last night.
Okay. So we got a good 4 or 5 hours here at the park. What you thinking about, kiddo? Nothing. Just cruising along,
Yeah.
soaking in Epcot.
Yep.
All right. All right, all right, all right. Uh-oh. The shufflers. I don't know what you want to call them.
You want to know something? None of it is real. This one is But did you
Okay, thank you.
Of course, you can make it take longer, so.
We're waiting for Mom.
Have a solution, buddy.
Huh?
There she is. That's the stomach. Mom! Strict rules. Never push on my stomach.
Yeah.
Or it'll puke on you.
Yeah?
Heat system isn't that strong. She got all the way over there.
Come on, Kenneth! Come on, sweetie!
Don't twist me like that.
Okay, come over here. Come over to Kinley.
That's funny, I just grabbed you with my arm.
There's nobody here. Oh boy.
She's doing anything she can to not ride this ride.
How many? You're heading down? How many? You heading down? How many? You heading down? How many?
We got you went down. You guys really want it.
Sorry.
When the doors do fly open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these landings. Next, fasten your seatbelts and serve them into the buckle on your right. Slower aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling it. That's work, pal.
One hand on mommy, one hand on mommy.
Soar the Tower.
So
That light's not working.
Oh, my hair this morning.
Bummer.
I needed a number on it. What?
That light's not working.
What? Lights aren't working?
Oh, come on, Disney. Fix your light.
Soar the Tower. We are ready for takeoff.
fasten your
What'd you
seatbelt.
think,
Just
Gunners?
push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under-seat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here in Epcot or wherever your final destination may take you.
Kinley, what'd you think? Was it better this time? No?
I still get dizzy at Cairo.
Do
I don't
you?
know why. Every time at Cairo, I get dizzy. Everything else I'm fine on.
Yeah?
I'm going into Cairo.
All right, we just got out of Soarin'. We are heading over to Nemo. After Nemo, we'll do some turtle talk.
He's so mad at us this morning. Let's go to the test track, right? You want to go on test track?
Ooh, it's a 20-minute standby.
Wow.
Nemo is usually never that long.
Especially created special designs over at Animal Kingdom by smart nutrition scientists.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's cool.